Hello everyone, this is Dr. Haque. Today we talk about transgender. A lot of people want to change their gender. A lot of people don't feel which gender they are in. A lot of people they are men, but they don't feel to marry a man. Or a lot of female they don't like to be engaged with a man because they don't feel themselves they are female. I had an experience very recently. A lady came to our office. She said, "I'm not any gender." I was like, so how should I call you? She said, you can call me she, but I'm not feeling any gender, men or women. So feelings is true, but she is a female. So which taught me amazing lesson that I've been learning that transgender is because of hormone imbalance, and hormone imbalance makes people hormone imbalance put people into identity crisis. That identity crisis makes people transferring their gender, and that LGBT community, and that's a real, this is a community, they have a real feelings. So I will talk about how to fix it and what is the real solution. And this is a big discussion and research scope to too many universities, Harvard, Stanford. They have a lot of research. I'd like to share a few of them to you about what is this and how to fix the problem. First of all, if someone born with a XX chromosome, they are going to be female, and someone with a XY chromosome, that would be man. So an XX chromosome, if they have a any X chromosome is impartially developed, then that woman would be showing less female character. Otherwise, two X chromosome, they should be developing their breast, reproductive organs. They should be having their female boys less muscle and attraction to the man and high estrogen. But if they have a any X chromosome is partially developed, they would be showing kind of neutral gender, kind of female, but not fully female. That is a problem. And if a man XY chromosome, which is a Y chromosome making the man character, that man have extra X chromosome sometimes, or impartial Y chromosome making their some female character instead of having their testicle, good muscle, and high testosterone or attraction to the female. They are trying to talk like a female or feeling like a female, or they don't feel attraction to the female, that they don't feel any attraction. So if that happen, what is the solution? According to Islamic faith, God said in the chapter 49, verse 13, God said that I created men and women with a separate gender so that they can know each other. But how come God creation has no gender identity, what God said in the Quran? But if you think about that disposition in their gene and partially develop Y in the man and or extra X in the man, or partially develop X causing that problem. So that could be from mother's belly when the baby is developing, or it could be after the born, day by day their hormone get imbalance. Either way, it can be reversed by hormone therapy, reversed by surgery if it is defective from the birth. Any reproductive organ is not properly developed, it could be fixed. So instead of making transferring, you can get back to their proper gender, not the transferring gender. So supporting by hormones, supporting with the surgery. There are many research developed. One of the research I want to mention in Spain. Even similar research done in Harvard University. They scanned the brain of the transgender people. They found out that their brain is not actually trans brain. They found a cisgender brain. That means they have a less character of man, less character of the female. So it could be go back to their original gender by supporting hormone. Then they don't have to be transgender, because the people who transfer their gender never claim they're healthy, never claim they are doing okay, never feeling their the gender their desire. It's just their feelings. Feelings could be improved before transferring their gender. And another groundbreaking study was done in 2015. Stanford University, they studied on 27,000 transgender people. They found out that by simple hormone therapy and some hormone imbalancing support with some basic treatment, they can go back to their original gender. They don't need to be transgendering, because they found out clearly that transgender people never being happy after even transferring gender. They're always struggling with their new gender identity. So therefore, I like to tell everyone, strengthen your faith so that you don't misunderstand the creation of God, who created you, either man or woman. Also, balance your hormone. If you have a hormone problem, if you feel like you can support your estrogen, if you are a female but not feeling as a female, and then if you are a man, you can support your testosterone so that you can keep feeling yourself as a real man. Also, integrative approach would be number third. Instead of fixing only the hormone pill, you can improve your body with a integrative approach, with a diet, lifestyle, natural medicine, and all the other support you can give to your body, so that you can improve your situation, go back to your real gender identity. Number four, emotional support needed when someone feeling no gender or transgender feelings, but society doesn't have it. We should have that support for the person who is struggling with that. But number five, social stability. Social stability should not be the third gender. It should be either man or woman. So someone struggling, they need to have a proper rehab. They need to have a proper therapy or surgical intervention, so they can go back to their real feeling. They can feel themselves. So we don't blame them. We need to help them to get back to real their support. And again, integrative approach is the best thing you can do to get back to normal life. Thank you.